This Chinese airline offers unlimited laogama chili crisps on their flight. We flew with 4 different airlines in China, but this is the only one that offered unlimited laogama, and they had the best food. They give you this box full of Chinese goodies, which were super fun to try, and the main hot plate meals were amazing. I got the spicy minced meat with noodles, but my wife saw that the flight attendant was handing out laogama like candy, so of course she had to get some. Mind you, her pork on rice was already spicy, but this is Sichuan Airlines, so when in Sichuan, you gotta get things extra spicy.
Fire?